Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TimeTune app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open TimeTune and you will see the main dashboard. Here, you can begin creating your personalized routines. The app is designed to help you manage your time effectively, ensuring you stay productive and achieve your daily goals. It's a straightforward tool for anyone looking to optimize their schedule and improve their time management skills. To build your first routine, tap the large plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can then add individual blocks for activities like work or exercise. Give each block a clear name and specify its duration, perhaps 30 minutes or 1 hour. Select a relevant category and a colorful icon to make your schedule visually appealing. This step-by-step process allows you to construct a detailed and personalized daily plan, ensuring every moment is accounted for. TimeTune offers powerful customization to fit your unique lifestyle. You can easily duplicate routines, saving you time when planning similar days. Use tags to categorize activities, allowing for insightful analysis of your time usage. The app's smart reminders ensure you never miss an important task or a much-needed break. By reviewing the detailed statistics, you gain a clear picture of how you spend your time, helping you make informed adjustments for greater efficiency. Tracking your progress is crucial for effective time management. As you complete activities, simply mark them as done within the app. TimeTune then generates comprehensive reports showing your time distribution over days, weeks, and even months. These insights help you identify where your time is truly going, highlighting potential time sinks. Use this valuable data to refine your routines, making small, impactful adjustments to boost your overall productivity and achieve your personal goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.